kwashayikwa the house, kwahleza the house, wagcwala uThixo kwi-room, kwi-house. Then after that kwabonakala ke ngoku they were receiving. Hey, ukube khona nje ngenxesha uThixo visita khona the church. Are you sure? Ukube khona when God is visiting the church. Bangababathi ndizoba yipart when God is visiting the temple. I've been investing in my prayers. I've been waiting for this fulfillment. Angeke ndikwithe. Sikhona bazalwane? UThixo uyanivisita ibandla. UThixo banexesha apha elivisita but inye into ebambelela kubunye. God. Rabahashuna rabasekere bosia. Bakhona abantu abatsha. Tell them amantombazana now 3 or 4 abalekeza phambili sizodemonstrate. Bamunye basendaweni enjani bazalwane? Enye. uNkulunkulu uyasebenza ngelocation. Then kuthiwa ke ngoku bazalwane ngephanyaso. Beketho njalo verse number 2.
Kwaza ngeqobuliso kwaphuma ezulwini isandi esinjengomoya ovuthuza ngamandla sayizalisa indlu yonke ebebehleli kuyo.
Bazalwane before isandi siya ku-individual siqalise, oh my God, siqalise sazalisa ntoni bazalwane? Indlu. Nikhona kodwa nkonzweni.
Amen.
When God season of visiting a church, akaqali nge-individuals ukuqala ngendlu. When that's why kumele ube nendawo obhilonga kuyo, you can't be all over. Amen. Because ungaphosana nesizini yakho ngenxa ukuthi you are not in the right location. Awusosebenza ngapha wathandazana ngapha walala enkonzweni into abantu kabekomweni nilala nalapha nina nithandazana ngapha niyatyala njalo. uNkulunkulu mangaba sekezonifunisa ube ungekho. Bakhona abanye mhlawumbe sinde aphusha usathane xa ukuthi ayiphuma la kanti utyalile kule mbewu yakho. Xa unyathela uyavakala ukuthi ikhona imithandazo kaMamulu uthanda, ikhona imithandazo kaMrs H. Kodwa xa usathane afuna ukuphusha because of you lack to be in one accord. Ngexesha lokuhlangana, ngexesha lokuthandaza, you are not available. Kunzima ungabe available when Jesus is building his structure, when Jesus is laying the foundation. uThomas wayeke khona bazalwana bengabikho, wazanga sibona, akuzange ambone uYesu. Uma ngaba ivuka wathi hayi ngizawukholwa ngoba ndifake umnwe ndiwabona amanxeba. Because whenever you are not available kunezinto ngeke uzibone. Oh my God. Isandi esinjengomoya ovuthuza ngamandla, meaning that the foundations were shaken. Ibandla langena kwisizini apho kushayikwa khona the foundation sayigcwalisa, because ngelinye ixesha kuyavama uNkulunkulu mangaba ezovusa into kube ngathi kuyaphela. Anikho bazalwane, nikude kakhulu. Kuyavama when God ezohlala endaweni kube ngathi kuyanyakaza. Kwakusisande esivuthuza kanjani ngamandla. Ukhona uphethe isiXhosa ngicela singafundisi uMpostoli because yes,
number 3.
Yes.